Huashan Mountains, gorgeous mountains in China. When we decided to go hiking there, we started looking for videos of how the hike looks like. We found hundreds of overhyped videos about the most dangerous hike. But nobody tells you that for that dangerous hike, you need to pay separately. It's on top of the mountains, and it's your choice to do it or not. Nobody tells you how beautiful mountains are when it's foggy or sunny, about the wild cats, frosty trees. The normal hike is not dangerous, it's just a lot of stairs up and down, and you can hike it without any special skills.